I was sent this 2.4 gigahertz stunt car called the Swing Stunt in exchange for my review, and I want to get it set up before my kids come home from camp, so let's figure it out together. So in the box we've got the car itself, which is a beautiful bright green. These wheels are kind of squishy. They seem to spin pretty freely. There's also what looks like teeny tiny rollerblade wheels. There's two here, one here, and one here. All this wheel spinning action is what is going to allow this to go left, right, swivel 360 degrees, 180 degrees, flip over, all the things. So there's rechargeable batteries that come with this, non-rechargeable batteries that you use in this. This USB plug is going to help out with the rechargeable part. They look very nicely sealed, and it comes with a screwdriver. Love this, thank you. Instruction manual. And you also get a warranty card here that's good for a year. Let's do it. Remote control batteries are in. Now, as far as this remote is concerned, it's very basic. There's a button here, button here. Swirly gigs here, that's a technical term. These look to be buttons up here, but they are not. I think what they are like infrared sensors, whatever this uses to communicate with this guy. Turns out reading the instructions is actually very helpful. This only needs one battery at a time, which means they supplied a backup battery for when the battery inevitably runs out and you or your kid want to keep on playing. When it's charged up, plug that battery into the same type of thing right here. There's plenty of room in here for this. I love that I don't have to try to smash it in. Battery compartments are often super, super tight. This one, manageable. That's convenient. Pairing the car with the transmitter. It says turn on the car right here. That was way fast. Once they're solid, they're paired. These controls line up with the car. Let's go. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. Oh, okay. These controls line up with the car. One of these is one side, the other side is the other side. Oh, that's fun. After this entire setup and kind of figuring things out, I've read the entire instruction manual. This little thing is awesome. I am left confused about one thing. These two buttons on the side here. They initiate a pairing connection after some time. I don't know if it's 30 seconds or a minute or what. This times out, which is good to save battery, right? And when I touch this button here, it goes solid again, indicating that the connection has been reestablished. So I'm not sure what the difference is between these two buttons here and here. It doesn't say in the instructions. Otherwise, this is totally manageable to assemble, get going with, and have fun like within 5 minutes. No question, my kids are going to love this. All right, we better take this outside.